Let me show you how I make these delicious red velvet bundt cakes. They're definitely gonna be in your dessert rotation. Get a bowl. Make it 2. In the first bowl, dry ingredients. 2.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, about half a teaspoon of espresso powder. If you don't have it, that is totally okay. You can just skip this step. Using espresso powder, all it really does is help bring out the rich flavor in chocolate. And now you whisk it up. Set it aside. In your next bowl, 2 eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of vegetable oil, about a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste or extract, 1 tablespoon white vinegar. Whisk it up, and now just slowly combine your wet ingredients into your dry. While you're mixing, go ahead and add in the red food coloring. In case you didn't know, all red velvet is a little bit of cocoa powder and red food coloring. Look at that beautiful color. The amount of batter is enough to go in a normal sized bundt cake. You want to grease your baking dish really well. And scoop in your batter. I fill mine about halfway. If using the mini ones, they will expand. Tap it out. And now we're gonna bake on 350 until you can stick a knife in and they come out clean. And while those are cooking, clean as you go, because less mess is less stress. And I don't know how many times I have to stress this to you. We don't want the stress. If you follow along better with written out recipes, I've got you covered. There's this app in the App Store called Pepper. It's like the new app for cooking. All your favorite recipes at the touch of a button. I love it. Literally anybody can post their recipes on Pepper. And I know a lot of you have commented saying that you want to start posting your recipes online. If you're not comfortable with doing it in a video, you can definitely do it on Pepper. I have some cream cheese frosting. I'm just gonna add a little bit of green food coloring. Mix that up. And now we get fancy and decorate. Green sprinkles. There you have it, the cutest little festive bundt cake. I absolutely love mini bundt cakes. They're like the perfect little present. I personally love getting baked goods as gifts. Taste test. They're seriously so good, I have to force myself to stop eating them.